Senior Chamber International, PPF Senior Dr. Prakash, Program Director, Senior Narendra Dev, Secretary, Senior KT Hamsa, Treasurer, Senior Hamsa Tamirate, other seniors, family members and invited guests. A warm good evening to all. First of all, I take this opportunity to congratulate Senior Najib and his team for their wonderful performance last year. Congratulations, Senior Najib and team. Only because of the full-hearted support of each and every seniors of this region, I am proudly standing before you as 8th President of this region. I am proudly prestigious region with full confidence of success. I assure you that if you all are with me, in all means I can showcase this region in a higher level among other regions. I am expecting all your support, guidelines and prayers. Thank you all.